Hi guys, just want to show you real quick how this tablet mount works. So the mount consists of this inner part that you put onto the SkiErg like this, and then you put on the phone mount part onto this, so it slides on like this. So now it sits on firmly like that. Then you put on the outer clamp, you thread it on like this. So now you have it roughly in place, and I'll show you next how you adjust this to be able to fit your tablet. Okay, so now I have the mount clamped to my desk here. Just want to show you how I have adjusted the clamp here. So there's an engraved scale here on this part. You can see it here. This scale indicates the recommended setting for the equivalent width of your tablet. So for example, my tablet is 165 millimeters wide this way. So I put the tabs right here, just under the 165 line. And when I put in the tablet, I tend to bend this a little bit upwards, pull it up and bend this backwards like this. And then I slide in the tablet and then release. Now it sits here. So if you don't pull this upwards and bend it back and just force in the tablet from the side. Note here, this applies if you have the upper clamp at a too tight setting. This tab has a tendency to disengage and move, and I'll show you how that looks. So you can see this tab moved down, so now it's way too tight and the clamping pressure is not even because this is tilting a little bit down. So there's also another way you can adjust the clamp to the tablet. So if you just raise this clamp up a little bit so you have clearance here, so you know that your tablet will slide in easily, then you just put your tablet in roughly here where you want it to be. Then you just push on the top part here like this. Then it should be roughly where you want it to be. So right now I can feel it's quite tight, not too tight, and this will not shake loose from the SkiErg machine. Okay, so I just want to show you here, if you have a protective case on your tablet, it can be a bit difficult to get it out. You can't just slide it out as if you didn't have a case on, then it would be much easier. So what you have to do is to disengage the two tabs on the orange clamp on the back side. Do it like this, pull them apart, and now it's free.